In this chapter, let us know about Python scope. A variable is only available from inside the region it is created. This is called scope. Local scope. A variable created inside a function belongs to the local scope of that function and can only be used inside that function. See the example. A variable created inside a function is available inside that function. See here, x is equal to, the result is 356. Function inside function. As explained in the example above, the variable x is not available outside the function, but it is available for any function inside the function. See the example above. See here, x is outside. Now, in this example, the local variables can be accessed from a function within the function. See here, print x. See here, 356. The result is 356. Global scope. A variable created in the main body of the Python code is a global variable and belongs to the global scope. Global variables are available from within any scope, global and local. A variable created outside of a function is global and can be used by anyone. See the example, x is equal to 356, my function we have given, see that 356 result. Naming variables. If you operate with the same variable name inside and outside of a function, Python will treat them as two separate variables. One variable in the global scope outside the function and one available in the local scope inside the function. See the example, the function will print the local x and then the code will print the global x. See here, if you execute this code, the result will be 200 and 356. Global keyword. If you need to create a global variable but are stuck in the local scope, you can use the global keyword. The global keyword makes the variable global. For example, see here, if you use the global keyword, the variable belongs to the global scope. Now, you are using keyword global. See here, global keyword. The result is 356. Also, use the global keyword if you want to make a change to global variables inside a function. See the example. To change the values of a global variable inside a function, refer to the variable by using the global keyword. See here, the result is 200. Okay friends, this is the end of part 25 scope. In next video, let us learn about another topic, modules. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.